Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of StrapChat. Today we want to talk to you about some machining capabilities we have right here in our headquarters in Northern Kentucky. We get our aluminum extrusion in from one of our sister companies, and then we do all of the custom machining right here in-house to whichever specification is required for that piece of track, whether it be for the OEM or whether it be a piece of track that we sell directly to a customer. So check it out. Now you can see why I'm coming to you from my desk and not from out at the machine shop. It's pretty loud out there. A shout out to Dwayne and Chris for getting that awesome shot inside the machine. But like I said, we machine all of our own track, whether it be in trailers, in flatbeds, whatever the case may be, whether we sell it to an OEM or we sell it direct to the customer, we machine it all right here in the United States. We'll catch you on the next edition of StrapChat.